Hello, the two-color English rib in today's video is simple to knit in the round by switching the yarn on every new row. I will show you how this happens using two hooks. This knitting pattern works with any yarn. It looks best on big sweaters, cardigans, and scarves. The scheme consists of 2 stitches and 1 row. When knit with thicker hooks than usual, this stitch looks good. The sample was created using hooks measuring 6 mm. The knitting has 2 sides. On the first side, all the knit loops are in the first color, and on the other side, they are in the second. The two-colored rib is knitted like the one-colored one. The difference is that we have 2 threads that are not always on both sides of the knitting. 3 rules must be followed in order to get this knit: dominant blue on one side and dominant gray on the other. 1. Change the thread on each row. 2. Knit the double stitches. 3. Slip the single stitches and make a yarn over loop. We start with the blue yarn. On this row, according to the rules, we must knit the purl stitches, and slip the knit ones with yarn over. Purl 2 together, and slip 1 stitch with a yarn over. Purl 2 together, and slip 1 stitch with a yarn over. On the new row, we changed the thread to gray. Here, we must purl 2 together, and slip 1 stitch with a yarn over. Purl 2 together, and slip 1 stitch with a yarn over. Purl 2 together, and slip 1 stitch with a yarn over. Change the thread and start knitting with blue yarn. Here, according to the rules, we must slip 1 stitch with a yarn over, then knit 2 loops together. Slip 1 stitch with a yarn over, then knit 2 loops together. Slip 1 stitch with a yarn over, then knit 2 loops together. By knitting in this way, it turns out that on one side all the knit loops are of the first color, and on the other side they are of the second. The repeat rules are: 1. Change the thread on each row. 2. Knit the double stitches. 3. Slip the single stitches and make a yarn over loop. If you follow these rules, you will get a pretty version of English ribs. I highly recommend this knit and hope it adds some extra fun to your wardrobe. If you'd like to check out my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate you all being here. If you enjoy the video, please click the like button. Subscribe to the channel and notifications to watch all of my videos. I wish you inspiration. Knit joyfully and with affection. See you soon.